I remember that very first day sitting in my dorm room in 2004, excitedly setting up my Facebook profile. Which groups would I join? What would I set as a profile picture? I had so many possibilities to set out who I would be on this harmless but fun social site. Facebook has certainly grown since then, and its audience with it. Here's my profile now. Picture of my husband and I at Disney World. A picture of my daughter the day she was born. Halloween pictures of staff members at school, and ads. My husband posted a question to our friends about setting up a college fund for our daughter, and now I have ads targeted to me about savings programs and insurance. I also have an ad for pop sockets, which I wasn't even searching for, but my husband was on his devices. Ads for baby clothes, political candidates, weight loss programs, and all without me Googling a single topic. So why is it a bad thing that Facebook tracks what I'm posting and searching? It's giving me ads for things I might need, right? The problem isn't the specificity of the advertisements. What I have a problem with is that our values, mine and Facebook's, might not align. What does Facebook value compared to what I do? This is why privacy of information is so important. A social media company may not, and probably doesn't, have my best interests at heart. Facebook is a great way to share photos, crowdsource questions and answers, and connect with people all around the world. This isn't how they make their money, though. Facebook and other sites like it earn money through the sharing of data. If how they make their money, sharing their information with other companies, and what they say their purpose is, connecting people, aren't the same, then how can we trust them not to put the money first? According to Obler, Welsh, and Cruz in The Danger of Data, Social Media as a Computational Science, if companies aren't transparent in the way that data is analyzed and broken down, combined with the difficulty in being able to predict which pieces of our information might later be damaging to us, this means that we, the users, have no idea what potentially harmful and negative effects there might be in the expansion of computational social science, which is the collection of user data to study people. We also know that people aren't happy with the Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal, a company that harvested data from Facebook users' profiles without their consent to give them targeted political ads. Facebook handled this so poorly, and yet dissatisfaction was at most 33%. So many users were unaware of the issue or unsure of their thoughts about Facebook. People continue to use Facebook, myself included. There is a demographic that can help us stand up against these social media companies. Kids. According to the FTC, the Federal Trade Commission's 2012 study, there are more than 500,000 apps in the Apple Store and 380,000 on the Android market. Kids and teens are downloading these apps with increased frequency, and these app companies do not have to release what they do with their kids' data. Parents want this information disclosed and to be given the option to provide consent if their data is sold or used. Parents may not care about their own data being sold or stolen, but they see the importance of it for their own kids. If it's so important for our kids, shouldn't it be important for everyone? On a flight, if something goes wrong, we're told to put our own mask on before helping others, even small children. We need to protect ourselves and put our own data mask on first. Thank you.